Hey y'all, it's me, Kalila. So today y'all, I am going to be washing my Microlocs with a stocking cap. Y'all, it's been probably over 3 months. It's my last wash. It's July. My last wash was in April. And with that wash, I did my retie. In that retie, I fixed a lot of my locks. So if you follow my lock journey, you know that I started them with 2-strand twists. But my twists would unravel when they wanted. They definitely would unravel when I washed it. So I slowed down with the washing and using water on my hair. So in that retie, by me fixing them, I put comb coils on the ends. So a lot of my twists, let's see if I can find you some. A lot of my ends are coiled like a traditional lock. And that was like the best decision I ever made, to be honest, because with my twist, I would have to redo them, some of the same ones, and I haven't had to redo any of my comb coils. So, and also, you guys, I'll have an update. I'm almost 1 year in, if you didn't know, and I'll have an update on some things as well. I didn't wash it because it was like almost having starter locks, and I wasn't sure what would happen if I washed it. I didn't want to do a braiding bundle with those. I didn't want to do a braiding bundle at all, because like I said, I'm almost 1 year in. I don't feel like braiding and bundling. I don't want to do all that. So I went and got the wave cap. I was looking at this boy like, that it's not gonna fit on my locks. But I bought those from Walmart, 98 cents, whatever. I will be washing my hair with that on, and I also have an applicator I'll be using. I'm gonna put some shampoo. I'm still using the Suave clarifying shampoo. I'll be putting some of that in here, about to here probably, really, and then filling it up with water. And I'll also be using this without it. But I'll use the bottle to try and get into areas that I might not be able to like really get the shampoo in, you know, because this is a traditional lock method. So their locks, they don't have as many, you know, if they're doing starter locks, they don't have as many to where they're covering all their scalp. So our scalp is like really shielded. So I'll see if it's what's going to happen. Like, I wonder if we can use this method too, you know, if it was starter micro locks. But I'm going to soak it, shampoo it, then I'm going to dry it with a regular towel. I'm not going to use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt because I don't feel like it's necessary, because I'll have the stocking cap on. Then I will be letting it air dry, and I'll just go by the time and the dryness. So I don't know until it's dry. So it's probably gonna be about an hour, hour and a half. I don't want it to dry all the way. I don't want it to get in the shape of the stocking cap, if that makes sense. I don't want it to dry in that shape. So let's go ahead and get the shower cap on, y'all. Let's get my babies a bath, y'all. Let's get my babies a bath. So whew, I've already tried it on to make sure, because I was looking at this thing like, that thing is too little. But it fits my micro locks, and as you guys know, I have over 500. And my hair, my natural hair, if it was loose, it'll probably be like right there. So that's how much hair is going into this. So let's see. And then it's still not super tight. It don't feel like it's cutting off no circulation, y'all. So see, I still got room in there. So I got room to move it around if need be. See? So I'm going to record. I don't know how well it's going to record, but let's see what happens. Okay?
All right, you guys. So to start, I saturated my hair with water. I got it really, really wet. And then I added the shampoo in with the applicator bottle. I ended up only using the applicator bottle, which was Very helpful because it helped me get in between the locks in the back and get directly to the scalp to add the shampoo. Then I just scrub it up. I gave it a total of 2 washes. Then I rinsed it out again. And to get some of that water out, I was pretty much just pat drying it and squeezing. So starting from the top of my head going to the back, just patting and squeezing. And then I also did this with the towel on the top to get some more of that water out. And that was pretty much it.
Okay, y'all, so it's been maybe 30 minutes and it's still wet. Like, you can tell when I touch it, it's still, like, you can see my hands still wet. But I just feel like I shouldn't leave it in the do-rag to let it dry because, I don't know, I just feel like it should breathe. It should be breathing a little bit more. I don't know. So, I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Let's see. So, whew, it is super wet still. Sorry. Regular towel. Whoops. I should have grabbed my microfiber towel, but whatever. Whatever. It is what it is. Let's see how the scalp. Oh, my nail. So I probably do this throughout my head, just kind of separate, go through my parts and separate a little bit just in case I got some that's trying to stick together. That's another reason why I don't feel like I should have left it in the scarf to dry, because I don't want them to be getting matted together or stinking or anything like that. Trying to check out my ends. See if anything is looking crazy. I don't know. Y'all. I don't know. The bad part is I don't know what was coiled. Now I can't really tell what was coiled and what wasn't. Okay, maybe that was a coil. That was a coil. I don't know what that was. Well, overall, I ain't mad about it. It's clean. It even looks clean. I feel like I did get like some puffiness. I did definitely get some puffiness from it. Probably with the coils mainly, not the twist. So a lot of the bigger puffiness looking stuff, maybe the coils. I'm sorry, yeah, maybe the coils. I don't know. But I ain't mad at it. Y'all. So there's my outcome. Washing my Microlocs with traditional starter locks at the ends. There's the outcome of that. So please like, comment if you ever tried this on your Microlocs. I don't know. Would you try it on your Microlocs? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. I'm speechless here. I like the way it looks. My coils, I don't see them anymore. I don't know what was coiled and what was twisted anymore, which I guess really ain't a bad thing. Can't be mad. But I think I'm going to let it air dry a little bit, and then I'm going to do my stretch, how I do my stretch with my clips maybe, so it doesn't shrink up and fro up too much. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but maybe I'll post something on Instagram of what I did after. Okay, so Follow my Instagram. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all. Bye.